Hi everyone, I'm Vernchi from VedicMathForKids.wordpress.com. Today's lesson is Simultaneous Equations Part 3. Another special case that I found. This is, if one is in proportion, the other is 0. So let me start with an equation. 41x plus 3y equals 63, and 12x plus 21y equals, no, not 21y, 12x plus y equals 21. In this case, x is 0. Let me tell you why x is 0. So if I do the method I showed you in Simultaneous Equations Part 1, for the numerator of x, I'm just going to use shorthand, num x is going to be 21 times 3 minus 63 times 1. Okay? I'm not going to the denominator of x is going to be 12 times 3 minus 41 times 1. So this is going to be 36 minus 41 is negative 5. This is going to be 63 minus 63 is 0. See how x is 0? Here's why x is 0. Here's how the rule works. Because y is in proportion in both equations, like 63 by 3 is equal to 21 by 1. Is that a true statement? Yes. Where did I get those numbers? 63, this constant. 3, this coefficient. 21, this constant. 1, this coefficient. If those are in proportion, the other variable, since we took the coefficients for this proportion from y, the other variable is x. Therefore, that makes the other variable 0. Now let's do another one. Because as soon as we know that x is 0 in that sense, we can just plug in 0 for x and get y. So let's do right away, as soon as I see this equation, I say y is 0. Well, let's do the test for both variables. Let's start. So, 24 by 17, is it equal to 36 by 37? Well, right away I can say that's not true, no matter what the values are, because this is greater than 1, because the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is less than 1, because the numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, since one's greater than 1 and the other's less than 1, they can't be equal. So because y is not in proportion, so x is not equal to 0, because y is not in proportion. Now let's do the test for if x is in proportion. 24 by 12, is that equal to 36 by 18? The answer is yes. 24 by 12 is 2. 36 by 18 is also 2. Since they're both in proportion, y is 0. Now I'm going to solve for x. So that 12x plus y is 0, so 17 times 0 is 0, equals 24. So x is just 2. It's the value of the proportion. It would be the same thing if you put it in the bottom equation. So that's Simultaneous Equations Part 3. Solving an equation if one is proportional like that and the other is 0. I will be probably posting Simultaneous Equations Part 4 if I find another special case. If not, that's it for Simultaneous Equations. Once again, I'm Vernchi from VedicMathForKids.wordpress.com. Thank you, and bye-bye.